So we have a question from conic sections. Let's start with plotting. We have an inverted parabola, symmetric along the y-axis, something like this. It's x square equals to minus 4ay. We are given that a is greater than 0. We are given that a normal with slope 1 by root 6 is drawn from the point 0 comma minus alpha. So this is the normal. Slope is 1 by root 6. L be the line passing through 0 comma minus alpha and parallel to the directrix of the parabola. The directrix of this parabola will be parallel to x-axis. This is going to be the line L. It intersects at A and B. Then we have to find the length of latest rectum of this parabola. So this parabola is, the length of latest rectum is 4a. This is standard formula. So we are given that R is the latest rectum, this is 4a, and S is AB square, length AB square, which is simply this length, distance twice of this distance. So let's start. We'll first find alpha in terms of a. We are given x square is minus 4ay. Differentiating both the sides, we get 2x is minus 4a y prime, which implies y prime is minus x by 2a. So at any point of parabola with coordinate x, with x coordinate x, the slope of tangent is minus x by 2a, which implies the slope of normal at point x is 2a by x. And we are given that 2a by x is 1 by root 6, the slope of this normal, and this is the x coordinate where the parabola is, where this line intersects the parabola. We get x is 2 root 6a, which gives us 2 root 6a squared is 24a, which gives us y is minus 6a. So the coordinates of this point becomes 2 root 6a comma minus 6a. So we have a point and we have the slope. So we'll write the equation of this line. It becomes, or rather we'll use this point and this point to calculate the slope of this line and equate it to 1 by root 6. This becomes minus 6a minus alpha, the y coordinate of this point minus y coordinate of this point, upon 2 root 6a minus 0, the x coordinate of this point minus this x coordinate of this point. This is 1 by root 6. That gives us minus 6 root 6a minus root 6 alpha is 2 root 6. Sorry, we have a plus alpha here, which gives us alpha is 8a. the line L simply is y equals to minus alpha. That gives us the coordinate x coordinate of point B. A and B are given by the equation x square is minus 4a times minus alpha, which is 4a alpha. We are given that alpha is 8a, which gives us x square is 4a times 8 alpha 8a, which is 32a square. That gives us the x coordinate of B is 4 root 2a. Which gives us LAB is equals to 8 root 2a, because length AB is simply twice the length of this segment, the point of intersection 0 comma minus alpha, and B, the distance between these 2 points. So substituting this here, we get S equals to 8 root 2a squared, which becomes 128a square. And we are given that S is 16 times R, which is 16 into R is 4a. A gets cancelled. We get A is equals to 64 upon 128. That is half. Then the value of 24a is 24 times half is 12. The answer is 12.